Hi there, and welcome to English Tales Time. Today, we will explore the story of a girl named Sofia. The story is simple and easy to understand, perfect for practicing your English listening. Have you ever felt afraid to speak English? Well, Sofia felt exactly like that. Let me tell you her story. Sofia was a young girl. She was 15 years old. She lived in a small town with her family. Every day, she walked to school with her friends. They talked and laughed in their language. But when Sofia heard someone speaking English, she froze. Her heart beat fast. Her hands felt cold. She wanted to speak English too, but she was too afraid. One day, her teacher said, "Sofia, you should try speaking English. It will open many doors." Sofia smiled, but inside she thought, "I can't. My English is bad. People will laugh at me." Have you ever felt like that too? Maybe you understand English when you read or listen, but when you try to speak, nothing comes out. Sofia felt the same. She stayed quiet in class. She did not answer questions. She only listened. But deep inside, she wanted to change. One afternoon, Sofia sat alone in the park. She saw two tourists talking in English. They laughed and looked so happy. She could not understand every word, but she felt something. A small voice inside said, "Sofia, you can do this too." She looked at the trees. The birds were singing. The wind touched her face softly. She closed her eyes and whispered, "I want to speak English." That was her first step. The next day, she made a decision. She would say one sentence in English every day. Just one. Even if it was small. Even if it was wrong. On the first day, she said, "Hello, how are you?" Wow! It felt strange but exciting. On the second day, she said, "I like apples." On the third day, she said, "My name is Sofia." Each day, she spoke one new sentence. Her fear became smaller. Her voice became louder. After 2 weeks, her teacher asked her a question. Sofia stood up. She answered slowly but clearly, "My favorite color is blue." Everyone clapped. Sofia smiled. She felt so happy. Let me tell you something. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teachers. Sofia made many mistakes, but she did not stop. She kept speaking, little by little. Sometimes she felt shy. Sometimes she felt strong. But every day she tried. And guess what? After 3 months, she could have simple conversations. She could say, "I need help," or "Can I have water, please?" She even made a new friend from another country. Wow! That made her very proud. Let me ask you something. Do you wait for perfect English to start speaking? Please don't. Just start now. Just like Sofia. Say small sentences. Talk to yourself. Talk to your pet. Or talk to the mirror. Your English is not bad. It is just learning. It is just growing, like a little plant. With time, it will become strong. Sofia's story shows that practice is the key. Not talent, not perfection, but practice. So, remember, if you feel afraid, that is okay. Everyone feels fear. Even Sofia did. But she kept going, step by step. And so can you. Now, let's imagine Sofia again. After 1 year, she traveled to another city. She stayed in a hotel. She ordered food in English. She asked for directions. She made new friends. She laughed and spoke without fear. She thought, wow, 1 year ago, I was too shy to say hello. And now look at her. That is the power of practice. That is the magic of not giving up. So, my friend, what about you? Are you ready to start? Yes, you are. Start today. Say one simple sentence in English, like, I feel good today, or the sun is shining, or I am learning English. Your journey begins with one step, and I believe in you. Sophia believed in herself, and she changed her life. You can too. Thank you for listening to English Tales Time. See you in the next story. And remember, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.